But as you can see, I have all these little spots right here. Also on the nose, also right here on the cheeks. My skin has been feeling a little bit itchier than usual. Oh God, I tried to improve it, but I feel like I made it even worse this time. Hi guys, in this video, I want to try drinking this homemade super drink for 1 entire week and see what benefits I see in my skin. Because this drink contains so many super beneficial spices and herbs, like for example, turmeric, thyme, cumin, paprika, which are all supposed to be amazing for the skin. So this is supposed to cure acne, blackheads, reduce redness in your skin caused by acne or also any inflammation in your skin. Also, this is gonna be a little bit anti-aging, so reduce fine lines and wrinkles and protect the collagen in your skin. And on top of that, a lot of celebrities actually drink turmeric drinks and drinks full of spices like this one, like for example, Naomi Campbell. And she is undeniably pretty. Anyways, I'm gonna try and drink this thing for 2 entire weeks, even though it is truly disgusting. And let's actually see. Oh my God, I just spilled it. If we see any results or any improvement in my skin. So you guys, let me tell you, this honestly smells really strong and disgusting, but I will tell you guys each steps and how to make this drink. So let's actually go into the kitchen and show you how to make this. Okay guys, so the first step into making this drink is actually going to be filling up our glass with warm water instead of cold water, just because warm water is so much more hydrating and moisturizing for the skin compared to cold water. I personally drink warm water now all the damn time. I got used to it. Then the next step is actually a shot of apple cider vinegar. And basically apple cider vinegar, if you guys don't know, has amazing antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It's where it's actually gonna kill the bacteria causing your acne. And I actually have tried cleansing my face with apple cider vinegar in this video right here, recreating BTS's skincare routine, where Jungkook literally uses this and he swears by it. And also, as a bonus, I'm sure you guys know that so many models actually swear by drinking a shot of apple cider vinegar every day. So it's believed to be also a little bit slimming, and who doesn't like to be skinnier, am I right, ladies?
Yes.
Now, the next step is actually going to be adding these spices right here. And to get the correct measurements, we're actually going to use a teaspoon. So the first spice we're going to add is actually turmeric right here. And this is basically an Indian spice, but so many celebrities rave about this, like also Naomi Campbell. She literally takes this on the daily. But basically, this has amazing antiseptic properties. So basically, it stops the bacteria causing our acne from spreading into our face. Not only that, but also it is believed to be amazing at reducing redness caused by our acne, but also rosacea. Here is a tablespoon, and I'm gonna add it right here. So the next spice we're gonna add now is actually going to be cumin. So this one right here, and it is believed to have amazing anti-inflammatory properties. So not only is it gonna soothe our skin and reduce the blemishes, but also it is believed to improve the firmness and the tone to our skin. Isn't that amazing? But basically it increases the circulation into our skin, therefore also makes our skin appear more youthful and more plump, just a lot better. Basically what a peptide or a retinol does. I'm shook up. But anyways, let's stir it. This is what it looks like now. Kind of disgusting, not gonna lie. Anyways, the next spice is going to be garlic. And I personally love the smell of garlic, don't you guys? I love it. But basically this has, a little bit too much I added. But this has amazing antifungal and antibacterial properties. So once again, it is gonna help reduce the acne in our skin. But also a regular use of garlic is shown to make the skin a lot more clearer and also glowier. And now the next spice is actually going to be ginger. So this one right here. So we're actually starting to getting into the anti-aging part of this drink. Just because ginger has a whopping 40 antioxidants in it. So if you guys are not aware, antioxidants are basically stopping the signs of time because they help reduce the free radicals into our skin, which is essentially what makes our skin age, because they break down the collagen in our skin, and they're actually formed from us being in the sunlight or in pollution. So antioxidants like vitamin C are crucial. This contains 40 of it, so you can only imagine. But anyways, not only that, it's also believed to be amazing for improving the tone for your skin, just like cumin does, as well as making your skin a lot more glowier and more youthful. So once again, let's stir it. Now the smell, as of now, is really just amazing. Look at the color. Guys, I'm kind of liking it. I thought it was going to be more disgusting. So now the next spice we're going to add is actually thyme. Okay, so this one right here. And thyme actually contains other antioxidants in it, so just like ginger. So it's also going to be anti-aging, protect us from free radicals, and just reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines into our skin. But also it has antibacterial properties. So once again, it's going to help reduce the acne in our skin. So do a little bit the best of both worlds. And now I feel like this is going to be hard to swallow because I don't know if you can see, but look at that. Like, I don't know. And now the next spice we're gonna add is actually going to be paprika. So this one right here. And now, fun fact, you can see the color, which is like reddish, and this is because it contains so much vitamin C in it. If you didn't know, vitamin C is one of the most powerful antioxidants that we know of as of now. And basically, so not only does it help us protect us once again from free radicals and anti-aging, but also it is amazing for brightening up our complexion and our skin, as well as reducing any dark spots. So if you maybe have dark spots once your acne, your pimple is gone, but you still have that little pigment spot, not only applying vitamin C topically, so onto our skin, like for example as a serum form, but also eating it could help a lot. And also any sunspots that you might be experiencing, that is also going to help. So once again, let's add that in. So now it's turning more into an orange color, but the smell, once again, you guys, is amazing. Okay guys, so the recipe that I'm following on my computer actually stops here. However, I took the liberty of adding basil and a little bit of parsley right here because both of them have, once again, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and I'm really looking forward to making my skin a lot better in terms of blemishes. And parsley is also amazing for soothing the skin. So you guys, now I'm gonna stir it real good, and I'm actually gonna show you what it looks like. So let me get closer to the camera. So guys, this is what the drink looks like. As you can see, there's so many herbs and spices in this that it's gonna be hard to like swallow all of this down without like choking. Okay, she said that. Anyways guys, you saw what it looks like. It's not that inviting and appetizing. However, the smell is very good, but we know that the smell can be misleading. Like sometimes the pussy might be smelling good, but then once you taste, what is this analogy that I'm having? I'm so sorry.
Damn, you smell good. What's that you got on?
Pussy.
Bottoms up, cheers, wish me luck. There we go. I'm gonna try to like down it all at once because like I know it's not gonna be tasting nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Definitely don't sip it. I feel like I'm just gonna shot it as if it was a vodka shot. So I transferred it into a wine glass so it can be a little bit of more effect for you guys. So once again, oh my god, this is disgusting. Oh.
I literally threw up in my mouth. It made me sick to my stomach.
And the more you drink it, the worse it gets because like all the spices are stuck into the bottom. Oh my god, oh my god. Now you guys, this is gonna be hard to drink every day for 2 weeks. Now guys, you might be thinking, why am I doing this? And that is because, you guys, yes, it is important that we apply antioxidants and antibacterial ingredients onto our skin topically in a form of serums and in our skincare. However, if we really want to reach that next level of skincare and amazing skin, it is also crucial that we intake them orally, so like we eat them. And that is because, as we all know, healthy diet and a healthy body translates all the time into healthy looking skin. Health and skincare go hand in hand. So this is what is going to help you guys. So anyways, now I'm going to show you what my skin looks like on day 1 so that we can see the progress in our skin. So I mean, it is quite glowy. I have some moisturizer on right now, but as you can see, I have all these little spots right here. Also on the nose, they're kind of like blackheads but blemishes in a way. Also right here on the cheeks, the forehead is kind of clear. But yes, it's definitely going to be interesting to see if the tone of our skin changes thanks to the ginger, and also if we get less blemishes and also less pimples thanks to all the antibacterial properties in the spices. We'll see, guys. I'm really excited. Also, I want to see if maybe it stains my teeth because I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, guys, so it's day 2. As you can see, the drink is ready to be drank. And now I have changed the proportions. As you can see, I filled it up to the brim just because I wanted to put a little more water because it was very strong yesterday, especially for the apple cider vinegar. Either it's gonna be better because like it will taste better, or worse because it'll be more to drink. But let's see. Still less strong, but less though. Okay guys, so I finished it, drank it all. I'm gonna show you what my skin looks like as of day 2. Now I am wearing a little bit of makeup, like just mascara, and I've done my brows, but I'm not wearing foundation or anything. Excuse the beard, but as you can see, it has been, I don't know, reduced maybe a little bit, but not at all, I think. Guys, it's day 3. I want to give you a little quick update right now. My skin has been feeling a little bit itchier than usual. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like here, I've been scratching myself a little bit. Also here, I have, as you can see, like I have red marks from scratching. I don't know, I feel like this drink is making my skin itchier for some reason, some unexplained reason. I haven't changed anything in my skincare routine, so it couldn't be anything else. But definitely my skin is getting itchier, which is not a good thing, so we have to see. Okay guys, so the first week is officially over with this glass, and I want to show you what my teeth look like. I feel like they have been getting yellower, so there's that. But you guys, honestly, it has been a struggle, my goodness. As far as what my skin looks like, I feel like maybe there is an improvement in firmness, tone, and also glowiness, and how clear my skin is. Also, I feel like I'm getting less redness and less pimples, and the itchiness has definitely gone away all now. So I feel like it was just a beginning thing, like it started and then it went away. So I mean, what's going well? Okay guys, so it is day 12. This is what my skin is currently looking like. I do have a little bit of highlighter and a little bit of mascara, but no foundation at all. As you can see, there is one pimple right here, one right here, and also one here. Now I have to say, I feel like they are definitely not related to the drink at all. And I want to say my skin, I feel like it might be a little bit glowier, less red, and more soothed, as you can see. I don't know if you can tell any improvement at all, but trust me, I can. But anyways guys, I'm gonna try this for another 2 days, but then the 2 weeks are gonna be up. So I'm gonna wrap my thought up, what I think about this, and then I'll share it with you guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so the 2 weeks are finally over. I'm here to share with you my experience. I have to say, first of all, that drink is totally just okay, so if you are not willing and if you don't want to put in the effort to achieve good skin and actually be consistent with drinking that disgusting thing every day, then go ahead, and I will tell you, if you are capable of doing that consistently, you will achieve better looking skin, because I don't know if you're able to see, but I definitely have seen an improvement in my skin. Let me tell you what I've seen. I've seen reduced redness, reduced pimples, like I get less pimples now, and also less breakouts. I also get maybe potentially less blackheads, but I'm not sure about that, so don't quote me on that, but at the same time quote me. But also I've seen maybe just a small little reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, but if that's not the case, then maybe it's just my skin is a little bit more moisturized, just because I feel like my skin is able to retain a lot more moisture than usual. I thought that it was not possible for me to get glowier skin. I thought it was at the most level of glowiness that I could achieve. But sis, look at the material. Look at that. And usually I give a lot of things, but I never give face, okay? I give craziness, I give stupidity, but never just face. But anyways, guys, I want to give you a little few tips for the bravest of you who actually want to come on this journey with me and actually join, because let me tell you, I will keep going on. First of all, the teeth will yellow. I will tell you that there is a saying in English that goes something like, if it's yellow, let it mellow, and it totally applies for your teeth as well. Not only for flushing the toilet, but also for the teeth.
What your issue is? But sometimes I feel I'm gonna tell you what your issue is.
My teeth did get the slightest more yellower. Also, pay attention not to spill the drink, maybe on your sheets or whatever, because the turmeric is a BITCH and she will stain literally everything. Another thing that I have to say, consistency is definitely key. I know that consistency is very important in skincare in general, but especially if you are drinking this drink and you want to see results, definitely have to drink it every day, because I had taken a break of 2 days, and in those 2 days, my skin just got back to it, just normal. Furthermore, guys, I want to address the itchiness of my skin because I feel like it's worth mentioning. If you look back from the vlogs, I did say that it gone away, but to be honest, I feel like especially here on the jawline, which usually is where my skin is the driest, and also my arms in general, in the chest, I feel like it just got a little bit more itchier than usual. I think it's the drink, definitely is the drink. So really pay attention to that. Maybe you might be allergic to some spices specifically, I might be. So definitely maybe do a patch test, try it out for a little bit, and if it does give like overly excessive itchiness, then definitely stop. I mean, good skin is important. However, it's also important that we don't die from anaphylactic shock. You know?
She passed away? Oh. All right.
And lastly, you guys, the final tip that I want to share with you, this is more so like my consideration after having tried this for 2 weeks, is definitely, please don't drink this drink if you have an empty stomach. Because the apple cider vinegar in it, depending on how much you put, and trust me, I was putting a lot because you know I'm extra, I put a lot of everything. Let me tell you, it was stinging my esophagus like a mother. I have put several things down my esophagus, to which I won't say names, I won't say what they are, but none of them made my throat hurt as much as this drink.
It's disgusting to be related to you.
But so really what I recommend is that you drink this after having had your lunch / your dinner. And I also will say, definitely make sure that you go wash your teeth straight after you drink this, because the apple cider vinegar will damage your enamel. Anyways, guys, to wrap things up and make it a little bit quick, I definitely approve of this drink. Honestly, Miss Naomi Campbell, you have snapped as always. You are the queen, the goddess of everything that is beautiful in this world.
Hey, queen. Girl, you have done it again. Constantly raising the bar for us all. And doing it flawlessly.
But anyways, ma'am, if you are still watching all this way here, you know what you should definitely do is actually subscribe and turn the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my uploads, because sis, let me tell you, this channel is all about this craziness about skincare. We are crazy into achieving and maintaining perfect skin. Therefore, if you want to learn more about your skin, maybe treating acne or solving fine lines and wrinkles, and literally getting your skin routine down to a T, this is for you. We are your family. Honestly, join the random family. We would love to have your mwah. And also, if you want to see more behind the scene of all this craziness is what is happening on here, in here, then what you should do is actually follow me on my Instagram as well, because there we keep the same energy. And also, if you want to DM me maybe one-on-one and you want me to help you out with any skin issues that you might be having, then girl, don't hesitate. I would love to help you out. But anyways, to my randoms who are still watching, you know what time of the video it is now. It's time for the Italian word of the video. And since this video was all about that truly disgusting thing, the Italian word of the video is going to be schifoso, which is disgusting in English. Now, if you want to say it is gagging, like something makes you want to barf and vomit your soul out, then what you would say is actually è vomitevole. That's a strong word, sis. You better use it at your own risk. Don't say it to people, because that could be quite rude. You can say it to things. Don't say it to your mama's food, though. Your grandma's food, you did not hear that from me. I do not want your mama nor your grandma on my bad side. No, please. Thank you. Next. But anyways, sis, do you see those videos they are recommended in that column over there by YouTube? Yeah, no, disregard them. What you should do now is actually watch one of my videos, because they're much just more informative, more funnier, just more of what you need in life. I know what you need, and you need these 2 videos right here. All you gotta do is just click one of them, but oh, while you do that, remember to be random and always be random. Yes, indeed. Ow. You don't want to barf. You won't barf by watching those 2 videos, I promise.